I don't know.
We're about to drive in a blizzard in the middle of April, so.
To dye our hair.
It's very slippery.
I vote we all hold on to each other. Wait to see if we slip.
Yeah, just in case. Oh my gosh,
See?
that's a curb.
Proven.
That's a curb.
I know, but still.
People say that college is about doing stupid stuff. It's middle of April, and we're walking to Walgreens in a blizzard for hair dye. We made it.
Yeah.
Still don't know what I want to dye my hair. I've never hated my life more. We just got back.
We made it.
Look at my makeup. Like, what is this?
If you've seen the movie Krampus, that was us.
So, this is the color I'm doing.
That's crazy.
Okay, so here's my bleach color. I don't know what I'm doing. She's getting her hair done.
Hi.
And Hannah's waiting.
I'm waiting.
We went in the blizzard for this.
It was nuts.
For this. We walked 2 miles. It was absolutely horrible.
Horrible.
I fell.
It was nuts.
Oh, I fell
It was-
in the snow.
Hannah fell.
You couldn't, it was just walking through like a foot of snow just while it's blowing in your face, so
Yeah, my glasses
It's
were
gonna be
covered
fine.
in snow by the time we got back.
I'm so nervous.
Take photos with him? Because I don't know.
She's doing my hair because I'm scared.
Oh.
And it's really scary. I've never had my hair this color.
I've never dyed hair before.
Are you serious? I thought you have.
Oh, it's like, just kidding, I do it all the time.
I'm so scared.
You can trust me. I'm an expert.
So the process is going well, I think. I can't see a thing. I'm terrified. It's fine. How do you think it's going?
Oh, I hope it's going good.
Just douse it.
Yes.
Douse it? Is that the word?
Yes.
Douse. It's definitely lighter. Oh, wow. The back is really light.
Yeah.
See.
Okay, the roots really gotta get in there. It looks kind of orange. I'm really scared.
Calm down.
Just
Okay, now make
lather.
sure you get this-
Lather these roots. And I guess
I have.
I'm just scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. How bad does it look?
Not bad. Not bad. Don't be scared.
Terrified. Should we bleach my eyebrows? So I can definitely already tell that it's not like bleach blonde like the picture. I feel like it's not gonna come out this way, but we'll see. I have like 7 more minutes before I shower. But it almost looks like right now like this color. Like that before. Even though like even if it was dark it's supposed to go to this. So I don't really know. So this is the final product. It's definitely nowhere near this. Like
There's mine.
Like
What
our
did
hair
you do
looks
to
the
mine?
same. Like
Huh?
okay, like what is this? Can you see?
Why did that?
It looks
I literally
like
had that in for 10 seconds and it did to my hair.
so it is the end of the night, and I mean I think in the camera it looks a little bit more orangey. Definitely a bad experience. It's a little bit like streaky. I don't know if you can actually see like up in here. It doesn't look actually too bad, which is good. Like it's not as bad as I think it could have been, but hopefully within the next couple days I'll try and get some more dye and just fix it. Hopefully it'll be okay. Not too worried, but you know, you just kind of go with the flow. Whatever happens to your hair happens. Like, it's fine. So yeah, today was quite an adventure. I didn't expect to have. Almost like literally getting stuck in a blizzard was insane just for some hair dye that didn't even look that good. And Claire's, she didn't like that much. I don't know how Hannah's turned out, but I mean, it's been a day, so now I'm about to go to bed. It's almost midnight. So good night. Peace out.